Unlock your potential with Thrivecart University, your all-in-one online success hub. Tired of feeling lost in the online world, overwhelmed by countless courses and unsure of what path to take? Thrivecart University is your one-stop solution, offering a comprehensive curriculum designed to empower you to achieve your online business dreams. Dive into a diverse range of courses curated to equip you with the skills and knowledge you need to thrive. Monetize your passions, learn how to make money online with surveys, affiliate marketing, or even digital product sales with courses like Mastering Digital Product Sales with Thrivecart and Affiliate Cash Mastery course. Master in-demand skills, become a content creation powerhouse, a social media marketing guru, or a video marketing whiz with courses like Content Marketing Blueprints and YouTube Marketing Video Series. Embrace healthy living, optimize your well-being with courses like Keto Diet 101 and Navigating the Paleo Diet, or learn how to eat healthy on a budget with Eat Healthy. Sharpen your tech skills, master the latest tools and platforms with courses like Amazon S3 Crash Course and Zoom Master Guide. Stay ahead of the curve, explore cutting-edge technologies like ChatGPT and AI with courses like Mastering ChatGPT, a comprehensive guide for online business growth and AI avatar spokesmodel. Thrivecart University is more than just a collection of courses, it's a supportive community. Join our thriving online forum to connect with fellow learners, share experiences, and get expert advice. Access exclusive bonus resources like ebooks, templates, and checklists to accelerate your progress. Benefit from regular live Q and AMP sessions with our expert instructors to get your questions answered in real time. Don't wait any longer to unlock your full potential. Enroll in Thrivecart University today and embark on your journey to online success. P.S. Check out our limited time offer for special discounts and bonus materials. Ready to take the first step? Click here to explore our courses and start your Thrivecart University adventure.